this year, as far as the Mutt is concerned, the anticipatory bail of the Lingayat Seer Shivamurthy Swami has been deferred. This is the latest that we are learning right now. So there's clearly no relief for the Lingayat Seer. Remember, today has been a very crucial day because the hearing in the anticipatory bail petition was supposed to take place, and that's already happened, but the bail plea has been deferred. This is the big breaking we are breaking to you. The anticipatory bail plea has been deferred, and so clearly there's going to be no relief for Chitradurga, the seer of the Murugha Mutt. The hearing was to take place before the District Sessions Court. For more details, I'm joined in by Ritu on the phone line. Ritu, clearly there's no relief now for this year. What happens next?
So you see the anticipatory bail that was being filed in the court, the session court, is now being deferred to tomorrow. But meanwhile, the another accused in this whole incident, that S.K. Baswarajan, in fact, who has also now filed an application for an anticipatory bail in the magistrate court. So these are the two major developments that have taken place in the Seer incident, that you see how he was that an FIR was being filed against him and the others accused also in this whole incident. But this is somewhere being purposefully dragged, is what has been seen, because a kind of a pressure that has been mounted from somewhere from the political leaders, as well as the way how the police is also dragging this whole issue, because it was likely that how today he was supposed to in fact appear here. So his legal team is almost they are all here at the court, and now that the anticipatory bail that had the hearing in that all is the different kind of ways have been seen, and this is being deferred to tomorrow. So there are some major developments that are taking place in this whole incident. But what is the only thing that can be seen is how the way how it is all being dragged and delayed in a way because of the the powers that this Mutt holds, and how influential this in specific the chief seer is also.
Right. Also, what is the security situation? Because Ritu, we are also learning that the security has been beefed up around the case hearing. What is the security situation on Ground Zero right now?
Yeah, so with all this, so because the girls were also being produced to the court, there has all been barricades that have been placed at the main circles and near the court, as well as at the Mutt premises to ensure that the security all is in place and peacefully the things are being carried out, because it's a case which is very much sensitive in the nature. So that is what the police is ensuring on one side, because we have also seen how the protesters have all turned up at the court premises as well as at the Mutt to asking for immediate arrest of the seer. So there have been a lot of protests that have taken place here, both at the court premises as well as at the Mutt premises. So that is something that the police has also ensured it, and the police is also requesting the Dalit community people to not turn up for a protest, because this is all to the investigative officers, and thus the investigation is on. The law will also take its own course, so there is no need of the protest, is the kind of words that the police is also trying to put out.
Right. Ritu, stay with us. For all our viewers who are just tuning in, it's important to establish the latest developments. Let's also listen into what
arguments we heard.
Okay. So has there been a filing of objection done by the police?
Tomorrow. They will take time.
It will take time. Why do you think there is such a delay? Because it's an important POCSO case and it's been filed.
It is not a question put to me. It is a purely put to question to IO. Because we are lawyers appearing for the petition. Bail application has been filed. We are following only legal proceedings.
You hope so you will get your anticipatory.
If I say that word, it is abuse of process. Because it's purely discretion of the court.
Okay. And in case if the anticipatory bail petition is quashed, what will be the next? In case if the anticipatory bail petition is quashed, what could be the?
Your question, I think it's a premature question, because until disposal of the bail application, I can't say anything.
Can I ask you something? Is there any legal impediment for the investigating team to go forward based on the Section 164 statement given?
164 statement is a purely conference system. It is known to the only judge victims. It cannot be available to the public or defense lawyer at this stage.
So can the police go forward with a statement? Say an action? Is there a legal impediment for any kind of an arrest or any kind of questioning or giving a notice?
I have already answered you. It is a purely discretion of the police. Investigation is a freedom of police. Freedom of police, duty of the police, right of the police. We are as per 150 class 2. Nobody is having power to interfere in the investigation.
So the bail application is posted for tomorrow.
Tomorrow for objections. We are already filed bail application. Today victims also present in the court along with their parents, one of the parent. In camera proceedings are going on inside. Tomorrow it will post for objections.
Good day, sir.
M. Umesh.
That is the...